New to TikTok and want to learn how to use it? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and this video will be our beginner's guide to TikTok, where you'll learn all the basics to help you get started using the TikTok app. Now let's get started. If you haven't downloaded the TikTok app yet, check out our video on how to download and install TikTok to learn how. If you still need to make a TikTok account, check out our tutorial on how to make an account next. Links for these tutorials can be found in the description box below. Now let's dive into the basics of how to use TikTok. The main feed on the TikTok app is called the For You page. When you first start using the app, the For You page will mostly be trending videos and content from popular creators. As you start using the app more, your feed will be personalized to your taste based on who you follow, the types of videos you engage with the most, topics you've searched for, and more. TikTok's algorithm does a great job of serving users videos that they'll be interested in. When watching someone's video, you can use the buttons on the right to check out their profile, like the video, add a comment, save it to your favorites, or share the video. If you tap the sound icon, you can see details about the sound or song they used, as well as see other videos that use the same sound. If you want to search for a specific type of content or find a person you know you want to follow, you can tap the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner to get to the search page. Here you can type in the name of a creator, an effect, song, hashtag, or a topic you want to see content about. This makes it easy to find whatever you're looking for on the TikTok app. To create your own content on TikTok, first tap the plus sign in the menu at the bottom to open the camera window. Here you can record a video within the app or upload a video from your device that you've already recorded. Tap one of the options above the record button to choose the maximum length for your TikTok. You can choose 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. If you want to add a sound to your video before recording, tap Add Sound at the top of the screen. Then you can browse trending audio options or search for a specific song you want to use. Tap a sound to listen to a preview of it, and tap the check mark to add it to your video. You can also add fun effects or filters before recording your video if you like. If you want your video to play in slow motion or faster than normal speed, choose the speed you want to record in. When you're ready to start recording, point your camera at whatever you want to record. You can switch between your device's front and back cameras by tapping the circle of arrows in the top right corner. Then tap the record button to begin recording your video. To stop recording, you can tap the record button again. This way, you can record multiple clips. If you want to record all in one clip, you can also just wait for your maximum recording time to run out and it will stop recording automatically. Once you're finished recording your video, tap the check mark on the right to proceed to editing. Here you can make changes to your video's sound, add text, stickers, effects, and filters. If you're looking to do more advanced editing, tap Edit to access the Studio Editor. Check out our in-depth tutorial on how to use the TikTok Studio Editor to learn more. When you're finished editing your video and ready to post it, you can tap Your Story to share it as a temporary post, or tap Next to post it as a regular TikTok video. Here you can add a caption for your video, tag your friends, and add hashtags if you like. You can then save it as a draft if you aren't ready to post it yet, or if you're ready to share your video to your profile, tap Post at the bottom. That does it for our beginner's guide to TikTok. To learn more about specific TikTok features and get helpful tips and tricks to get started, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials for beginners. The playlist link can be found in the description box below and in the clickable end screen card. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.